A combined instrument transformer is a combination of both, of a current and a voltage transformer. So therefore it can do both. It can convert voltage and current into standardized equivalent values for meters, metering and protection devices. Hi everyone, my name is Colin Gerber. I am here at PFIFFNER since about 9 years now. At the moment, I am responsible in outside sales for North America and for our inside sales team here in Hirschthal. Today I'm going to explain to you what our combined instrument transformer type EJOF can do. So basically, we distinguish conventional inductive instrument transformers into current transformers and voltage transformers. Here at PFIFFNER, we produce these from low voltage, 600 volts, up to high voltage, up to 550 kilovolts. In the high voltage range, so that's 36 kV up to 550 kV, these units are oil insulated and rated for outdoor application. They are installed outdoors in the substation. So for these high voltage applications in the substations, we have the option of using a combination of a current and a voltage transformer in one unit, called a combined instrument transformer or CTPT combo unit. So this design has the advantage that you only have to install one unit. At the end, you save time at installation, you save money at transportation with the unit itself, and it reduces the amount of space needed in the substation for the unit. The current transformer part is located in the head housing of the unit, whereas the voltage transformer part is located in the bottom housing of the unit. In the middle, in the insulator, we do have the capacitively controlled bushings, one bushing each for the VT and the CT part. Using such a unit is also good for the environment because it consumes much fewer resources than using two individual units. We at PFIFFNER offer combined instrument transformers from 36 kV up to 170 kV. We are producing these here at Hirschthal, Switzerland, our headquarters, and also in our factory in EJOF, Brazil. From there, we supply the whole world. The units are customized based on customer specifications. We offer a great flexibility in our design and specific requirements. Our experienced engineering team supports us and you in finding the perfect fit for your specific application and making the unit the best possible option for your substation. The units are made of marine-grade aluminum parts, which makes them not needing any coating or painting, and they come standard with the composite insulator. As an option, we offer an internal RX-safe design, so explosion-resistant and tested design. So now I hope you got a good idea of what this product does and why so many customers are a big fan of it. Please feel free to reach out to us for any questions or any inquiry. We are always here and happy to help you.